What's up, y'all? Peace, love, and light, healing through inspiration. Man, I tried not to make this video, but shoot, it seems like I might have to freaking make it. I mean, dog, nigga, y'all wouldn't believe how much freaking drama is in this bitch. A nigga wake up to freaking drama. A nigga wake up to freaking drama in this busted ass hotel, bro. I swear to you, nigga. So I've been here for y'all know too freaking long. Too freaking long. They already know me. I know these people. I've been here longer than these employees been here. So and nigga, I wait. So I'm like, oh, I was gonna pay her. You know, one of the managers said, oh, don't worry about it, because I was telling them I was gonna pay, and they was like, they told me one time before, they was like, oh yeah, don't worry about it. I know you're not going anywhere, hon. I didn't say anything, but the nigga is going somewhere. Do not that. But that's just what the case is, because they know I'm here, so they just know I'm gonna pay. Anyways, so because I am moving, but they don't know that. Anyways, so like I was saying is, nigga, today, I went to say I woke up and I heard them knocking on my door, and I'm like, and I went to go crack the door. I wasn't dressed because I just woke up, so I was like, you know, I had the latch over it, and it's like, it was a housekeeper. She like, oh, let me go ahead and post this video. I'm sorry if y'all see me looking away. I've been trying to get this video posted because I'm trying to still doing daily uploads. It's why it's very stressful. It looks like this ain't gonna fucking work. And then let me say this. Like I was saying, nigga, this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. I'm about to tell y'all this story. Anyways, retry. Discard changes. Puss ass app. Nigga. Whatever. I could care less. I'm about to spaz in a minute. Anyways, I'm sorry, y'all. But anyways, we had trouble. Fucking jing. Almost cursed. Anyways, so look. This is what happened. I ended up, and she was like, oh yeah, you gotta get your room. It's like, oh yeah, whatever. Yeah, I know, I got points. Because they just told me that 2 days ago that I have points. You know, points build up, so I don't even gotta pay. It's just points is gonna be added. So I'm like, whatever. So I told her that. She's like, okay. And then I went back, or something like that, or something. And she closed the door, and I think I got up, and this is now I got up on my bed. I looked, she didn't even close my door. Nigga, my door wasn't even closed. Like, I'm like, yo, what the frick? My door ain't even closed. Like, it's still, the latch was open. Because I think I had said something or yelled something out. Because I saw that when she had said, hey, I just want to let you know. Y'all, so I'm like, okay, y'all got to be out or something. That's what happened. I didn't come to the door yet. This is the first time. So now I get up. I just have to get up out of bed. And I got a knock on the door. And that's when I saw my doors open. She was like, and this is after I closed it. Right after I went up to go close it. So I get a knock on it. I'm like, the frick? And I look and see it's her, and I still had a latch. Like I said, I'm not dressed now. So then she's like, yeah, you know, you got it. Yeah, they said you got to go and pay now. He's like, because you know you got to go pay, because if not, I got to go. Yeah, because they telling me that, because you know I got to get in there. And I'm like, I'm going to pay. I already got points. I got points. But she said, you got to go down there. I'm like, I got points. And I'm like, she's sitting there acting like she got to get in there. I'm like, bitch, you not coming here to get in here now. Like, I got to be out of here. Like, bitch, I got my stuff here, bitch. I've been paying here long. I've been here longer than you have. I didn't even get a chance. I didn't even tell her all that. But I'm just like, you know, all this freaking stuff coming at me. Like, and she's like, and I'm like, okay. And I'm just like, okay, whatever. So she's like, yeah, you got to talk. And so then she goes, and then I'm like, okay. So the conversation's over. She leaves. I go walk to the bed. And then the phone rings. The hotel phone rings. And I'm like, hello? She's like, hi. She's like, hey, did you close the door in the housekeeper's face? I said, what? I didn't close the door in the housekeeper's face. What are you talking about? And she's like, she said that you closed the door in the house. I was like, you know I didn't close the door in the housekeeper's face. And she's like, I know, but I'm just saying. I'm like, what the frick? I didn't even open the door. The latch was on. I had the latch. Like I told you, I wasn't dressed. So I'm not about to open the door if I'm not dressed. And she like, I didn't even get to that point because I'm thinking like, I didn't close the door regardless. I didn't close the door on her face. I was having a discussion with her. So I'm like, yo, what is she talking about? So then now I'm kind of like, yo, I don't want this. Because I'm telling her, like, my door isn't properly. That's maybe a part of the reason why she left my door open or something. Because my door doesn't close properly. I've been telling them for a long, like, literally months. My door or whatever, the door handle, and if it's jammed or whatever, like, it doesn't close properly. It doesn't open properly. It doesn't close and open properly. So I explained that, since she's like, so my door doesn't close. She's like, what? Why the heck is your door doesn't open? I told Austin, that the maintenance man, is he walks around your door every day? Why you know? I said, I don't know. I got a note on there. You can look, because I just had someone leave a note. I had to call about 2 days, and I've been talking and doing constant calls, whatever, and they haven't come and fix it. So she's like, okay, well, he's like, is that the reason why you haven't been paying weekly, and you've been paying 2 days, every 2 days, or paying whatever, because of your door? I did it, it clearly, that's irrelevant as hell. This narcissistic bitch, she did that because she felt bothered because she said, because I pay every 2-3 days instead of weekly. Bitch, I pay regardless. The money there. Bitch, it ain't even going to you. Bitch, it's for the company, ho. So what the frick is this bitch talking about? What the frick is this bitch talking about? Nigga, what the frick is this bitch talking about? So I'm like, nigga, party. So nigga, I'm like, this bitch is some BS. I gotta disconnect and then reconnect. I got 12 minutes because I got post every day. I'm posting before the clock strikes 12. So like I was saying is, so I'm like, she's like, is that why you've been posting? Is that why you've been posting? Is that why you've been paying every 2 to 3 days, or just whenever you want? Whatever I want. Bitch, I be paying. So what the frick is you talking about, bitch? What the frick is the bitch talking about? I think this bitch mad because I don't be going through her. I be trying to avoid this bitch because just simple stuff like that. Because I rarely see that bitch even go pay that bitch. I be go dealing with other people, and I be ignoring that bitch daughter too. And this bitch narcissist. This narcissist all around. Nigga, I'm getting tired of this stuff. And like, nigga, I'm trying to get my stuff ready so I can set up. But it's like, nigga, I'm doing all this stuff by myself. I'm trying to I'm running the business. I'm doing YouTube, Instagram, our website, driving apparel. And I'm still, researching, still trying to read our books, still building. I'm still trying to, I got car insurance, but a nigga trying to get freaking plates. Because, they're not going to give you the plates unless you got the car insurance. And, nigga, it's a lot. It's a lot. I really do feel like it's a lot. And, you know what I'm saying? Like, and it's like, too, it's a lot. I feel rather what is known as physical load. I mean, because I still keep going. But it's like, dang. I be calling people don't be answering. I be like, what the frick is up with y'all niggas? Somebody say they're in the same boat. They kind of doing the same. She's a lot older than me. Quote unquote older. I'm just for age, You know what I'm saying? And I'm like, dang, you hitting me, but you telling me to hit you. I hit you, don't even respond. And then it's like, cause I'm like, I'm trying to get some perspective, cause I'm like, you know what I'm saying? It's just kind of a shame, cause I mean, nigga, you be there for so many other people. People won't be there for you. It's just rather unfortunate. And then people like, oh, they busy, but I'm like, nigga, whatever. I mean, I be busy, but I be trying to make time for people. Like, still, that's how I'm feeling right now. I just wanted to be honest, and I wanted to be transparent for y'all who recovered from narcissistic abuse. With actual real life situations, unlike these people who just coaches or just the degrees, or they think they read a book on narcissism, they know narcissism. Freaking idiots. I'm about to upload this from my phone, that video. That's what it looks like I'm about to have to do. Oh, okay, got it to work. Anyways, so. Oh, I like that. I like that. I like that. One video, one playlist. Okay, we can do it like that. I like that. All right, we can do that. All right, I'm trying to upload this before it's ready, but yeah, that's the grind. Uploading the video while you making the video. That's real talk. That's the grind. F what a nigga talking about. That's really the grind. But as I was saying, like, but she's like, okay. So I said I got points, but I was telling her I got points, and she's like, you have to tell me so I can use your point, so I can use your points. I'm like, okay, go ahead, I'm like, all right. So what the frick? Like all that, nigga, you sent her to go up to my room that many times. Like, you know I paid. And this is the same person who came out of her freaking mouth and said that, oh, I know you're gonna pay. Oh, I know you're gonna pay. I know you're not going anywhere. Whatever, bitch. But that was your own words. But yeah, you sitting there trying to hound over some freaking money, like bitch, you know I'm going to pay. What the frick? What's wrong with these bitches? Bum ass bitches, cuz. I got on my freaking nerves. And all that happens in the AM. And I'm like, who is this bitch? And first, I'm not gonna lie, I start kind of feeling sorry. Like, seeing this sister thought I'm freaking, shut the door in her face or whatever. And I thought, I'm like, nigga, I'm thinking it now, I'm like, nigga, I ain't shut no freaking door in her face. How the frick can I shut the door in her face? Like, think about it. A female out here in Flint, shut the door in it. Especially they who got these type of jobs around here. You shutting the door, that. And that ain't the other bitch you lied. It was a pale bitch you lied last time. So I'm like, man, F these bitches. I'm sick and tired of this stuff. Nigga, I just keep getting more and more signs. Nigga, I try and sew a lot to get my stuff together so I can get my place. And I can just be gone. And nigga, I'm thinking about moving here because, I don't really like driving too much. Because, clearly you know why. But this is something. But yeah, man. Still gonna be pushing. Still got things to do. It's a lot to juggle. And one of the things too, as far as with this, in order to alleviate this, I've been pushing towards the distractions, getting myself distracted, because I notice I do that. As far as when it's when stressful situations like that happen, and that's something I'm battling and getting better with. Getting better with. But I do know it's like I do it as alleviate the switch. And I'm like, okay, we're not gonna do that today. We're not gonna do that for today. And I say it and I do it. And sometimes I feel like, did I say that for this day or that day or whatever? But I get how you say, let me hurry up, I'm sorry. Regardless of the fact, it's a lot of freaking narcissists, but man's gonna get this, and but yeah, like I said, I do get, I'm getting better, and I just wanted to be transparent too, as far as with this, because I feel like so many people on there, they're not transparent, and it's just like, it's just very fictitious people and the characters, but a lot of people like them because it's popular. It's, the large followings, it's, I'm just getting sick of it. And, things are being stifled as far as for us, but we're going to keep going. We're going to keep putting content out there and going to keep doing this. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know that you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, follow us on Instagram at DM us there. At Healing Through Inspiration for consultations. Or you can just DM or send us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration with the subject consultation. Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and end this. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the bell notification. Go grab your American Apparel, all that great stuff. And y'all have a great one.